As the Saharan dust continues to blanket sections of the country, a special appeal is being made to parents and guardians to limit their child or children's exposure to the outdoors. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Due to the high density the Saharan dust causes in the atmosphere, pediatric surgeon and public health specialist Dr. Noel McLennan says this is becoming a big concern in the pediatric community. According to Dr. McLennan, the dust can trigger certain underlying respiratory problems like asthma, sinusitis, and allergies.
So, for example, a dust particle, for argument's sake, is much bigger than a virus particle. Let's start with that. And as a result, once it gets into the airway, it can result in the congestion or the triggering of the congestion of the airway.
As such, this can lead to the affected child being hospitalized, placing a greater burden on the public health system that is still grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic.
Due to the fact that the coronavirus draws so much on the resources of the healthcare system already, then with this new phenomenon that is now upon us, it will require even more resources to be redirected to the care of patients who present with complications from inhaling this polluted air from the dust plume. So this means that there will be more patients who may present with asthmatic attack. Patients will present more with symptoms relating to chronic sinusitis and symptoms relating to allergies.
Dr. McLennan is calling on parents and guardians to ensure their child or children take all the necessary precautions. This includes limiting how much of this air pollution goes into the homes, as well as the wearing of a mask at all times.
Usually the mask that we wear, we don't usually require an N95 mask for this, for example, because the dust particles are so large, it is easily filtered by a cloth mask or any of the other masks that we regularly use. So that's a great news. In terms of ventilation, it may call upon us to limit how much we open our doors and open our windows whilst we are inside, so as to reduce the pollution that actually occurs within the home or enclosed situation.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.